Okay, this is a basic demonstration on how to get your dog to retrieve almost anything. Begin by the basic touch command. Touch, good. Touch, good. Touch, good. Practice that for a little while. Your dog should be able to master that quickly. Touch, good. Okay, once your dog knows the touch command, you just want to add the object. I'll start with something that your dog can easily pick up, like a tennis ball. So then you just put the tennis ball in your left hand. Touch, good. Good one. Touch, good. And then work your way slowly to the ground. Touch, good. Now the hard part is going to be to get your dog to pick it up. She knows how to retrieve a ball, so the ball, good. Practice that for a while. Sit, sit. Thank you. Rest. Okay, now for the objects. I have 3 objects here. I have what's going to mimic a medicine bottle, chopsticks, and a book. Okay. Same principle applies. Put the object in your left hand. Touch. Good. Touch. Good. Touch. Good. And then change the name. Medicine. Good. Medicine. Good. You work way to the ground. Medicine. Good. Remove your hand slowly. Might take a little bit of time of practice. Sit. Medicine. Good. Until she understands that this is medicine. You put it down, and then work on retrieval. Scratch, 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 scratch. We've been working a lot today. She's a little tired. Hey, and then Zola. Medicine. Awesome. Medicine. Awesome. Good girl, Zola. Okay, start chopsticks. Touch. Good. Touch. Good. Chopsticks. Good. Chopsticks. Good. Work way to the ground. Chopsticks. Thank you. And again, she's already knows much of this already. Chopsticks. Good. Okay, so we got medicine bottle, chopsticks, book. Book. Good. Book. I'm skipping a step here. Good. Book. Good. Work way to the ground. Book. Oh, that was a tough one. Yay, good. All right, Zola, sit. Sit. Once you practice all that for a while, just take 3 objects. Let's see how good she is with this. Place them on the floor. Chopsticks, book, medicine bottle. Zola. Hey, Goose. Zola. You done? What is it? You got an itch? All right. Medicine. Good. Chopstick. Oops. Chopstick. Oops. Chopstick. Oops. Chopstick. What's with you? You got an itch? You're goofy. Chopstick. Good. Book. She's crazy. Book. Where's the book? Zola, give me your book. Awesome. There you have it. That's simple. Thanks. Bye.